Good day, everyone, especially to you, sir. My name is Hyacinth May Sangan. I live in Puro Cuatro, Poblacion, Valencia City, Bukidnon. I would describe myself as a simple, determined, and responsible person. Someone who may be quiet at first, but is always ready to listen, learn, and help. I value honesty, respect, and keeping my word. I enjoy reading, listening to music, and organizing things. I also like observing how our community works and thinking of ways things can be done better. I have a passion for helping others and serving the public, even in small ways. Growing up, I learned that integrity, hard work, and compassion matter most. Seeing the needs of our community and observing how public services truly affects people's lives taught taught me that service should always be honest, fair, and transparent. These lessons shape my character and my goals. Why did I choose Bachelor of Public Administration? Because this program because I want to understand how the government works, how laws are made and implemented, and how resources are managed properly. I want to learn the right way to serve the people with competence, ethics, and dedication. I was inspired by the idea that public office is a public trust. I saw how good governance can change lives. I also saw what happens when there is no proper management. I want to be part of the solution, someone who contributes to a fair, honest, and efficient public service. My dream is to become a public My dream is to become a public servant who serves with integrity and excellence. I hope to work in government or public administration where I can help improve systems, promote transparency, and make a positive difference in people's lives, especially for those who needs it most. 7. What what strengths? I am patient, eager to learn and committed to do committed to doing what is right. I pay attention to details. I value discipline, and I am willing to work hard even when even when lessons get difficult. I also believe in respect and teamwork, which will help me grow alongside my classmates. I expect that some subjects like laws, budgeting, and technical terms will be difficult to understand at first. To overcome this, I will study continuously. I con- consistently ask questions when confused, take notes, and review regularly. I will also seek help from my instructor and classmates whenever needed. I may seem quiet but I may seem quiet, but I actually listen very carefully and remember things well. which helps me learn deeply. I also believe that even small acts of honesty and kindness can make a big difference in our safety. The last is, what message or expectation would I like to share to my classmates? Let us learn together, help one another and grow with honesty and purpose. Let's support each other through this journey. To our instructor, thank you for guiding us. We promise to listen, participate, and do our best to learn, not just for grades, but to become a good public servant in the future.